Someone recently asked what the P0128 code on their Kia means. Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So first of all, let's talk about the idea of check engine lights and codes. Check engine lights first came on the scene because we want the consumer to know something's wrong with their car that might cause the emissions to go up. It'll cause them to go to a shop, get it fixed, and overall we reduce the emissions out there in the world. So the P0128 code means that the engine's not warming up in the amount of time it should. And the reason we want the engine to warm up quickly is because the quicker it warms up, the lower the emissions are. So typically a 128 code means that there is something wrong with the thermostat. And likely what's happening is the thermostat's not fully closing, so it has an internal leak that's allowing some of the coolant to flow through the radiator before it's warmed up. There are some other things that can cause this, so we definitely want to diagnose it, but hopefully that helps you understand a little bit about the P0128 code. Hope this has been informational to you. Until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.